Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Kia Forte seats. First, ensure your vehicle is off and disconnect the negative battery terminal for safety, waiting a few minutes. This prevents accidental airbag deployment. Next, slide the front seat all the way forward to expose the two rear mounting bolts. Use a 14mm socket to remove these bolts. Then, slide the seat completely backward to reveal the two front mounting bolts and remove those as well. With all four bolts removed, gently tilt the front seat backward to gain access to the electrical connections underneath. You will find approximately 4 connectors, including those for the seat belt, power adjustments, and airbags. Yellow connectors typically indicate airbag wiring, so handle them with care. Disconnect all these plugs, ensuring any locking tabs are properly released. Once all connections are free, carefully lift the entire front seat assembly out of your Kia Forte. Moving to the rear, let's tackle the bottom seat cushion. First, locate the two 12mm bolts situated in the crevice between the seat back and the bottom cushion. Unscrew these bolts. Next, firmly pull upwards on the front edge of the bottom cushion, near the doors, on both the left and right sides. This action will disengage the two clips securing the cushion. Once released, you can easily remove the entire rear bottom seat cushion from the vehicle. Finally, let's remove the rear seat backs. If your Forte has split folding seats, first pull the release levers located in the trunk to fold them down. Now, look at the base of the folded seat backs where they meet the floor. You'll find two 12mm bolts, one on each side. Remove these bolts. After the bolts are out, lift each seat back straight upwards to disengage them from their top mounting hooks. With that, your rear seat backs are now completely removed.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.